Once, Goldemir said, "A time comes when every civilization has to negotiate with its own values." Hello everyone, my name is Souvik Dey. Presently I am pursuing PGDM from Globsyn Business School with a major in marketing. The first semester began with the Care for All event of KYLF, and then came the Grand Serendipity, where I orchestrated two skits, one on Bonkesh Bokshi and another one on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. One unique thing about Globsyn is that it provides a plethora of beyond education initiatives where it nurtures the blooming mind of the future leaders of tomorrow. In my journey so far, Globsyn Business School taught me all the finer elements of running an enterprise successfully, the implications of which gave me the courage to participate in nationwide B-plans like Lessons in Marketing Excellence by Hindustan Unilever and Impresario by IIT Kharagpur. After having a stretch of 2 semesters under the profound guidance of Globsyn Business School, I finally got an opportunity to have a hands-on experience with ITC, where I saw theories like brand positioning, buyer's black box, and channel conflicts coming into play. And finally, when the placement process started, I secured a placement with Collegedunia in the zero slot of the placement process. However, the journey so far has been full of crests and troughs, where the factor analysis of the experiential learning is fluttering high under the Globsyn flag. In the concluding part, I would like to manifest my sincere gratitude towards the entire Globsyn fraternity. Thank you.